There is a very famous scientific theory called the uncertainty principle, which states that it is impossible to measure the present position of a particle or object while simultaneously determining its future momentum. In other words, knowing where we are does not mean that we know where we're going. That is the essence of uncertainty. And that is why I would challenge the idea that uncertainty is the new certainty, when in fact uncertainty has always been one of the few things in life about which we can be certain. What is different in today's world, however, is the degree of uncertainty that pervades our lives on all fronts. Politically, economically, professionally, and even personally, the institutions, organizations, and individuals that we look to for confidence and support are all changing in ways that are difficult to comprehend. In our digitally connected world, it's all happening in real time, and it is inescapable. Perhaps that's why it seems like there is more uncertainty than ever before. But is there, or are we just more aware of it? I think the answer may lie in these words from the German philosopher Erich Fromm, written more than 60 years ago. Uncertainty is the very condition to impel man to unfold his powers. So I would post this theory for your consideration. Uncertainty is not the new certainty. It's the only certainty. And it's what inspires us to test the limits of what we know and dare to attempt something new. Now, what does this really mean for marketers trying to connect with consumers in an uncertain world? Well, for that answer, see you at AdAsia 2011.